Hi, welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's Chocolate Chip Muffins. We're going to cook these in the Sunbeam Pie Magic 4 pie maker. The ingredients are in the recipe box below. It's a really simple recipe. We have made it as simple as we possibly can for Catherine's 7-year-old who was craving chocolate chip muffins last night. I'm going to turn the pie maker on now, so let's get started. We have got our self-raising flour here, to which we're going to add icing sugar. Mix that all around. Now we're simply going to add our egg, our Greek yogurt or natural yogurt. You could use sour cream here. Just pop that straight in with our egg. Our melted butter. Now I'm going to leave a little bit of this melted butter behind because I'm going to use it to grease our pie maker. And we're just going to mix that all around until it's well combined. A teaspoon of our vanilla extract. I don't know if Catherine's little one craved the chocolate muffins that look like chocolate muffins or the chocolate chip muffins, which are actually blonde with the chocolate chips in them. I only have dark chocolate at the moment, so that is what I'm going to be using. And we want to make sure this is just mixed through. Now don't over mix this because you do not want to toughen your muffin. Okay, we're tipping our chocolate chips in now. If you've got any leftover Easter eggs, this is a great way to use those up as well. And we're just going to brush the inside of our pie maker, which is already quite warm, with our melted butter. Do the tops as well and just scoop it in, big scoop, with an ice cream scoop. Okay, and close the lid. About 7 minutes later, you should have some lovely chocolate chip muffins. Now, with the leftovers, I'm going to save some of that. We are going to add our cocoa. So we're going to have chocolate chip muffins. And you may need to add a little milk to this because the cocoa will absorb some of the moisture and you don't want it to be too dry. So just a little dribble of milk for that to moisten it. And you're looking at about 20 grams. Okay, so they're going to be quite chocolatey now. The reason I put some aside is because we're going to have some with a chocolate centre, or you can make them two-tone too. Okay, after 7 minutes, they're still a little bit light in colour on the top. I'm just going to flip them over so they don't overcook on the bottom and just give them another couple of minutes to brown on the other side. Okay, we're going to pop these guys out now. They're really lovely and light. Brush our tops and bottoms again with our melted butter. And this time we're going to put a half a scoop and a half a scoop. Just press that down. Then we're going to put a teaspoon of our chocolate on top and cover it with the white. The others can just be chocolate. And we'll put the white in the middle of those ones. Give it a little bit of variation. Okay, and a little bit on the top there. These are going to be sort of like marble muffins. Okay, and close the lid. Okay, for our coloured ones, we are just going to turn them over after 5 minutes. They're still very, very, very soft, but we don't want them to burn. And give them another 3 to 5 minutes, depending on the power of your pie oven. Okay, we just pop our different coloured ones out. They are so hot, so hot. And put the last ones in. Okay, the last batch, if you don't want to turn them over, at the end of our 5 minutes, we're just going to turn the machine off and just leave them to sit there and they'll continue to cook without adding any extra heat. And there you have it, Cheekyricho Cooking's chocolate chip and chocolate chip muffins. Hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration, Catherine, and the kids enjoy the little project. If you'd like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our Cheekyricho Cooking channel, and don't forget to please subscribe and do come back and visit us again soon. We've got so much more to show you and we're uploading lots of videos, and thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Now we're just going to dust this with a bit of icing sugar, powdered sugar, confectioner sugar, whatever you want to call it. And these are lovely, light and moist. I'll show you this little guy here. Really, really light, well risen. That's that little fella there. And how about we go with this one here? This is this one with a surprise in the centre. I'll cut that actually, it's a little bit hot. Ooh, look at that. A chocolate chip muffin inside a chocolate chip muffin. We'll taste, shall we? Lovely and light, not too sweet. This is using dark chocolate, but of course you can use any chocolate that you like. Yummo. Thanks for watching. Okay, so if you leave it another 5 minutes without turning them over, they still cook nicely, but they don't cook too much and they have more of a muffin look about them. So there you have it, Catherine. You've got chocolate chip muffins, you've got chocolate chip muffins, you've got a chocolate chip muffin inside a chocolate muffin, and a marble chocolate chip muffin. Thanks for watching.